I cannot, through a press briefing, just make pronouncements. I haven't met the coach. That won't be leadership. I have to see the coach, engage the coach, look at where the problem is, engage the player. But I must mention that without wanting to promote indiscipline in any club, in any player, because you can only succeed with discipline. So we want also the players to be respected. We want also the coach to feel supported. Those are things that now we shall, bring the parties together and provide leadership and resolve. Because Fashion Sakala is a very important player to our national team. Avram Grant is a very important coach to our national team. When you have the skill of mediation or reconciling parties, this will be resolved. Just have no mistake. I think it will be resolved. A solution will be found. Just know that a solution will be found, and we shall all be happy, move forward together. I won't need to disclose the details of who is wrong, who is right. I think it's not important. What is important is that the issue will be resolved. We shall provide leadership, and that issue will be resolved. It is not just confined to Fashion Sakala alone. I think I started by addressing our people that charity begins at home. So even amongst ourselves within the Football Association, I want people to